Around here this morning is the new copper roof we're putting on our addition. I heard our roofing expert Alex Alpert was going to be here. Hey, Alex.
Hey, good morning, Kevin.
Morning. So what type of a roof system have you chosen for us?
This is a double lock standing seam copper roof system.
It is, huh? Okay. Is this a good choice?
It's a great choice. It's going to last about 75 years, and over time it's going to develop a nice rich patina.
All right, well, we like to hear that. But was it the only choice? Did we have to go with this?
Nope, you could have gone with shingles or anything else for that matter, but this is what the architect has specified.
Okay, good. So, how do we get started? What does the installation entail?
Well, Tom Silva left us with a nice solid wood deck with self-adhering underlayment.
And that's this black membrane right here, which is nice because we can put the nails right through it.
Right, and it's going to seal around the nails.
And what about this paper? What's the story there?
This is a rosin paper. We put that down so the panels can move around as they expand and contract.
Okay, so now we've got a nice surface. Where do we go from there?
Well, first we start in our shop and we fabricate panels out of flat stock of copper.
Oh, is that right? They're fabricated there and brought here.
Yes.
It's a complex process? Simple? Nice.
No, it's a pretty simple process, but the machinery is too big to bring to the job site.
Right, makes sense. Okay, so once the panels are fabricated, what do we do then?
Well, we start with a drip edge like this.
All along the front here.
Yeah. And this has a profile in it where the panels can lock on to the front edge.
So this goes up on the front. Ah, I see. Okay. And we lock right along here. Okay, drip edges in, then what?
Well, then we start up against the house and we work right to left installing panels.
And how do we fasten the panels together? Or how do we fasten them to the roof?
Well, they're installed with clips that get put inside the seam of the copper.
The clips. Are these the clips here?
Yes, they are.
So a bunch of these and we just nail these down?
Yep.
Okay, then what?
And then the next panel locks onto the preceding panel and the clips get buried in the seam.
Where's the caulk? Where's the solder? How do we keep these watertight?
Oh, the roof system like this, there's no need for anything like that.
Is that right? Well, I'd love to see these go together.
Dave here is using a hand seamer to form the first lock of the double lock standing seam panel.
So now as he squeezes that device, he actually pulls together those two pieces of copper.
Yes, he's forming the first part of the two seams.
Okay.
Now here, Paul is using the second seamer that finishes the seam of the double lock panel.
And again, it's just applying pressure with that tool, and it bends that edge right over.
It's folding the lock over to make a finished seam.
But I guess the most amazing thing is that there's no caulk, there's no solder, and we still have a watertight seal. That's amazing.
Again, with this type of system, no need.
So what type of a budget do we need for a roof like this?
Well, a new construction, we usually figure about $20 a square foot.
And what do you figure the size of this roof is?
We have about 200 square feet here.
So we're talking about $4,000 for this roof, which is pretty expensive. But boy, is it a nice look.
It sure is.
Hey, nice job, fellas. Thanks a lot.